Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Florinda from Make Money Online. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click subscribe on my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. So guys, if you have a time, kindly watch my video below on how to making money online, product promotion, at iba pa guys. So if you have any time again, kindly watch my social media above my videos like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, with website and Instagram. So guys, we're talking about what is dropshipping. So by the way, I read this one. What is dropshipping? So dropshipping is an e-commerce retail model that allows stores to sell products without keeping any physical inventory. In dropshipping, the retailer sells the product to the customer, then passes the sales order to a third-party supplier who then ships the order directly to the customer on behalf of the retailer. Dropshipping sellers do not need to invest in any product inventory, warehouse, or storage space and do not handle the fulfillment process. Due to the low overhead entry cost and simplicity of starting dropshipping business, it has become a popular and convenient business model for e-commerce retailers who can run profitable stores with easy setup and very little risk. Dropshipping has been a contributor to the ubiquity of e-commerce as it allowed many players to saturate markets with niche offerings. Retailers that use dropshipping forfeit some control over the customer experience. Therefore, having exceptional customer support is critical for buyer retention. So, how does dropshipping work? So, dropshipping, wait for a while. So, dropshipping works throughout third-party suppliers who, wait for, who manufacture products on a just-in-time GIT basis for each order. When the retailer receives a sales order, they pass the specification to the supplier who creates the product. Though many e-commerce retailers use dropshipping as the foundation of their business operations, dropshipping can be effectively used to supplement traditional inventory stacking retail models. Since dropshipping does not produce any leftover excess inventory, it can be used for research purposes, such as testing the waters before committing to selling in a market. To set up a dropshipping agreement with the supplier, a formal dropshipping contract should be drafted. The product should clearly state the terms of the agreement with respect to the definition, term cancellation, vendor's role, supplier's role, shipment problems, right to modify, responsibility, non-payment terms, severability, effectiveness, products provided, services provided, billing, sales and tax return policy. So that is the how does dropshipping work. So this is the meaning or what is dropshipping, guys. Okay, guys, again, what is dropshipping? So by the way, in dropshipping is this is a e-commerce. There's been a lot of talking about dropshipping. If you are not familiar with dropshipping, it's a business model where you, as a store owner, don't need to buy products in advance. You just add a necessary product to your site, and when someone purchases it, you buy it from supplier who ships this item directly to your customer. That is a dropshipping. So when starting an online business, it lets you easily avoid the hassles of things like developing products, tracking inventory, setting up warehouse space, and maintaining a confusing shipping, receiving infrastructure. Dropshipping is considered a low-risk business model, making it great for new entrepreneurs. So, if you are ready or if you are interested here to having a dropshipping business, online business, order your web stores today. So, click this one, order your web store. So, this is one. I already clicking this page. So order your main page or web store here as a dropshipping business online. So the easiest way to start a dropshipping business, this is the view this one. Watch this one video first. Let us build you a perfect custom store that will work on autopilot and bring you profit for the years to come. So this is the see our packages or get free consultation. So by the way, I will be putting the link inside of my description, and you can click this of that link, yeah, of that link, and you will be access of this page. So how it works? So first, place an order. So if you want or interested to having your own web store as an online business for shipping, first, place an order. You select a package that suits your best one and order a custom dropshipping store. So this is the package that you can choose this one. Like for example, there are three packages here. You choose number one or basic, 299 US dollar. This is your get your store, and then kindly read this one. How it works or how it belongs inside the main store of your own dropshipping online business, and then next is advanced. This is the second choice. And then the last is ultimate. This is the best value of a dropshipping online. So and then number two, discuss details. Your personal manager contacts you to learn your request and help with a profitable niche selection. And then number three, sit back and relax. So our team works hard creating a high-class custom store according to your references. And then number three, get your ready store. You become a dropshipping business owner without actually lifting a finger. So this is the dropshipping store, how it works. So you can buy your own store here, or kindly choose this one, kindly choose this package, this one, and then after that, so this is on how it works after you can purchase. So read this one first. By the way, again and again, I will be putting my link inside of my description, so you can click of that link and you will be access of this message of this main page of Alidropship uh, on how it works dropshipping online business, and you will be having your own store here as a dropshipping business. So this is how you will achieve amazing results with Alidropship custom store. So this is you will be having a personal manager, niche research, zero work from you, 100% ownership, mobile, and SEO friendly, lifetime support, best selling products, amazing design. So this is the like for example, beautifully adapted custom store for every client. This is this example. And then this is why 100,000 plus clients plus us. And then finally read this one will see the testimonial, and then some questions you might have. So this is kindly read this one also, or if you are more information about this, kindly this is the right below the right side. This is you can check this one. So ready to start your own product your own dropshipping business, see our package. Click this one. This is the package. So guys, if you are interested as a dropshipping business online, so uh, click that link inside of my description or comment section for more information about this business as a dropshipping store, and you will be having your own store as a dropshipping business. So guys, that it's all about my video. What is a dropshipping with Alidropship? So grab it now. So and then thank you for your watching. By the way, if you are new here, if you don't have a subscribe, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for the video update. If I will be uploading someday, new video for uploading someday, so you will be notified of my new video someday. So thank you for watching and bye for now.